Surah Tawbah? Yeah.
Yeah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا آباءكم وإخوانكم أولياء إن استحبوا الكفر على الإيمان ومن يتولهم منكم فأولئك هم الظالمون. The translation is, O ye who believe, take not your fathers and your brothers for friends, if they prefer disbelief to faith, and whoso befriends them from among you, it is they that are wrongdoers.
I understand this is also applicable for all of those who doesn't accept Messiah al-Islam. In other hand, we have obligation to keep family relationship. Also, please put some more light on this.
Read the verse again and I'll explain. I needed this verse because many Ahmadis have to be put in the right frame of mind regarding this.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا آباءكم وإخوانكم أولياء إن استحبوا الكفر على الإيمان ومن يتولهم منكم فأولئك هم الظالمون.
استحب الكفر على الإيمان is the key to the understanding of this verse. Those people who insist on rejecting, and by their insistence in rejection, they can possibly influence other members of the family like children, etc. And even despite this attitude, if you continue to relate with them, then it means that you have chosen non-believers who are enemies of Allah to Allah and His Prophet, against Allah and His Prophet. This is, according to the Holy Quran, is a grave sin. So that teaching where you should keep good relationship with your kith and kin has nothing to do with this situation. It relates to all ordinary situations where your relatives, even if they are not believers, they do not show a hostile attitude towards religion. There you can keep good relationship with them. In other words, the Holy Quran tells us that Allah does not prevent you from keeping good relationship with such people who specifically oppose the truth, who do not specifically oppose the truth. So those who do not belong to that category, which is they specifically oppose the truth, they should be broken off completely, and those who belong to that category who do not specifically oppose the truth, they should be related with, and you can do good acts to them. So there is no contradiction in the Quran whatsoever. This verse specifically speaks of such families who have among them a member or some members who go on indulging in hostile attitude to Allah and His Prophet and hostile attitude to religion as such. Even if they are as close to you as your fathers are, even if they are as close to you as your brothers are, you must sever your ties with them, or in the sight of Allah you will be zalimeen. You will be counted as transgressor. Now you understand the difference between the two things? And I know many people, when I tell them, ask them, you have been relating so freely with some person who have been completely rebellious to Allah and His Prophet and Allah and His Prophets, and who has been using foul language against them. Whether you consider yourself to be all right, good in faith, in the sight of Allah, you are definitely transgressors. You have nothing to do with Allah. So don't be stupid to continue to consider yourself among the believers. What you have already done is enough sign that you do not have that, personal regard for Allah's friends and personal hatred for Allah's enemies. Lacking this, your future is not safe. Allah can forgive anybody, but the future of such people is not safe. That is why I have broken my ties with them. They say, no, we are good people. I say, you may be good people, but this verse of the Holy Quran tells me that because you never showed reaction to such people previously, and you will be relating with them, so those who are cut off by Allah, I am going to cut them off from me. Right?